Fired up.
Fired up.
Yeah! Dodge Demon! Let's get it!
Good, man. What's good, everybody? What's good, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. Look, I'm gonna tell you something real quick. I'm gonna do this real quick. I want to explain to you why you shouldn't wait for 100,000 miles to do your tune-up. Now, I know this particular car, this is a Charger with a 3.6, as you can see. I already got the top end off, and when I pulled the spark plug, I decided to stop and make a quick video. So let me explain something to you. According to the service manual, you're supposed to replace these plugs every 100,000 miles. Well, that's always been up for debate with me, my opinion. And I'm finna show you why you shouldn't wait till 100,000 miles to get your spark plugs changed. All right, so again, according to your manual, according to the specification, your spark plugs are due to be replaced at 100,000 miles. But I want to repeat, do not wait that long. I suggest you not wait that long. I suggest, me personally, it's my opinion, 60,000 miles. So when you go do your 60K, I suggest you get spark plugs at that time. Now, I'm finna show you these spark plugs that I took out of this car. Mind you, this car has 76,000 miles. Okay, 76, and I wanted to have a camera show you the mileage and me pulling the spark plugs, so you can see there was no, no trickery going on. This is legit. Do not wait for 100,000 miles to get your spark plug changed. You can this car is actually misfiring, so you can end up burning, end up with unburned fuel, and that can essentially ruin your cat converter. So I'm gonna take the camera. I'm holding the camera now. It's not really professional, but it will have to do for now. We're doing a tune-up on a 3.6 liter Chrysler engine. All right, now I know it's a lot of things that can cause a misfire on this car, but this one is actually secondary, meaning coil or plug or something like that, because there's no wires on this car. All right, so like I say, man, I pulled one out on the left side, so I'm gonna go to the right side and pull these out pretty quickly. What I want you to look at closely is the spark plugs, deposit that's built up on the spark plugs. Now, you got to keep in mind, a tune-up in general is necessary to, basically we're trying to restore the car back to its peak performance. Okay, that's really why you need a tune-up. Now, take a look at this spark plug. You see the buildup, the carbon buildup on this? Now, a lot of this has to do with the driver's driving habits. You see what I'm saying? And fuel play a role in this too. All right, so now back to what I was saying. Take a look at the mileage. This car only has 76,000 miles. Depending on the fuel that you're burning and the spark plug that you're using, pretty much, and how you drive the car would dictate the longevity of the spark plugs. Also, we really need to use, this is a Pentastar 3.6, so what I have here is the OEM spark plug, basically the champion. That's what the car calls for. So try to go with OEM spark plugs, all right? At all costs, try to go with the OEM. What we're trying to do is bring this back to peak performance. Again, that's just why you should not wait for 100,000 miles to get your tune-up done, all right? Thanks for watching. Subscribe and comment on the video, and I'll see y'all on the next video.